kids today, not just one.
Then how are we supposed to get to school, Bob?